how to make only friends can send you direct messages on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends can send you direct messages on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click this one here in the bottom corner, profile, and then click the storylines in the top corner and click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, privacy, and then scroll down until you find direct messages, and here all you need to do is just click this one, first one, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.